What's going on, guys? Welcome back to the channel. Welcome to part 2 on painting the late model race car, and in this video we are doing 2K clear. So we are putting on the first coat on the decals. This is basically the decal coat, you want to call it. It just helps the decals get used to the clear coat, and it just helps it form to the body and basically gets the decals used to the clear. I did a full-on video a couple years ago or a year ago on how to clear coat over decals. You can go ahead and click on this video right here, or it is in the description down below. But that's what we're doing for this coat, and then we're going to move on to our very first coat. Now, a lot of these decals are homemade, such as the Bush decals. So I wasn't so sure on how these decals were going to react to the clear coat. They didn't react to it at all, but there was a lot of orange peel. So stay tuned to the channel. I'm going to show you how to fix that in the middle of the video. So stay tuned, but for now, go ahead and enjoy this video. So after this second coat, I let it dry for about 24 hours. As you can see in this picture, look at all of orange peel. I was kind of expecting that because, again, these are homemade decals. I knew they were going to react to the clear coat too well. So go ahead and let it dry for about 24 hours and 24 hours only. And go ahead and sand it down, as you just saw the picture, sand it down with 600 grit sandpaper. Now the reason why you want the clear coat only dry for only 24 hours, because usually 2K clear you want to dry for at least 3 days. But the reason why you want to dry for 24 hours, that means the clear coat isn't fully hardened. When it's not fully hardened, then all you have to do is go ahead and just sand it down with 600 grit sandpaper, and you can go ahead and put on another coat or 2 or 3 on top of that clear. Because again, that clear coat is not fully hardened within 24 hours. Again, it takes about 3 days for it to fully harden and be fully cured. But again, 24 hours is still touch dry, but is not fully hardened on the inside. So all you have to do is just go ahead and give it a light sand, especially where the orange peel is, as you saw on the decal. I went ahead and sand it down, make sure it is dead smooth, and then we are going ahead and put on another 3 coats of clear on top, and this helped it. You can, of course, go ahead and wet sand it and polish it, but that was just way too much orange peel. And again, I only put on 2 coats to begin with because I kind of figured this decal was not going to, react too well, and I was right. And plus, another good reason is, or another good point is, if you feel the clear coat, if it only has 2 coats on or 3 coats, and make sure you feel the clear coat. If it's pretty bumpy, then it's pretty bad. It's pretty rough. So go ahead, just do this method. Make sure you're only letting the clear dry for only 24 hours. Make sure that way the clear coat is not fully hardened, and that you can safely put on the other coats we're doing today, and very nicely and easy. If the clear coat dries completely, then you are going to have to do a lot more sanding and make sure you do get it pretty scuffed up and sand down, and if it's dry for 3 days plus. But make sure it is only for 24 hours. Just check it, and it's good for any body you do. Make sure just check it within 24 hours. It has too much orange peel, you don't want to polish it, which I do recommend you only polishing it. But if you just don't feel like polishing it, make sure it's only 24 hours, and just go ahead and give it a light sand, and make sure your panel lines are deep enough. If your panel lines are not deep enough, then I recommend you scrub them out again before your panel lines gets filled in with clear coat. So just keep that in mind. But alright, guys, that's it for this video. Hope you enjoyed, and stay tuned. There's pictures at the end, and it looks amazing. But alright, guys, until next video, we'll catch you guys next time. Take it easy.